Yeah! The rope drop is starting. We're about to head to Avatar Flight now. As we're heading to Avatar Flight of Passage with everyone else. Yes, we did see some people running, which you shouldn't be running in Disney World. Just don't do that. It's not safe. And we're weaving through Pandora right now. Get to see some stuff that we don't usually get to see. Right here, all the trees, the lushness of Pandora in the morning. It's really cold, but it's beautiful. And it says 65 minutes. Hopefully it's a little less, but I'll take it if it's 65. As we're weaving around. Not really a full line, just walking through right now. And just seeing the waterfall and everything over here is really cool. More waterfall and beautifulness. It went up to 70. That would be okay with a lot of people back here, but it looks like it's moving up there just a little back up. It says 70 minutes, so it should be fine. And here you can see all of this Pandora. What a beautiful place. As you can see, 70 minutes right there. As you can see, we've been in line for about 30 minutes now, and we're in the lab, so it's looking pretty good. Probably be up to get linked to our avatar in about like 10 more minutes, 15 more minutes. As we're going up the stairs now to get linked to our avatar.
And find the number you were just on.
What time is it, Jinx? Avatar flight time?
Yeah.
Oh, this is really big. Alright, I'm here. These are hard to put on. Yeah, these are hard.
We just finished Avatar. Such a great ride. My dad's favorite ride, actually. It's just so good. Now we're going to ride number 2, Na'vi River Journey. Last time we saw it was 30 minutes. It might have hopped up, but last time it said 45 and we only waited 25 minutes for Na'vi River Journey. So let's go do Na'vi River Journey next. Na'vi River Journey says 45. Let's do it. 45-minute wait. Waited about 37 minutes to get on. what the Disney app says, Kilimanjaro Safaris is a 35-minute wait. So it looks like we're gonna go over there. Then we're gonna head over to the right side of the park for Expedition Everest, Dinosaur, Triceratops Spin, and sadly Cali River Rapids. It's way too cold for that, but I'm gonna do it anyway. Now we're going on Expedition Everest, Legend of the Forbidden Mountain. Definitely not for the faint of heart, but I love thrills, so let's go do it. We're 15 minutes out. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Woo!
Say let's go.
Let's go!
Getting it? Look there. Damn.
What?
Did it go off?
It's still on.
Good?
Yep.
Good.
As you can see, we're here in Dinosaur. It's at a 5-minute wait. It's not really back too far. It's not stretching through the other part of the queue, so it'll be about a walk-on probably. Kevin! Say hi to the camera! I think he said hi. Let's go high! Down! Up, down, up, down. Up. Look at the view! I see some timeless face.
Looks like our little dinosaurs are landing. So please stay seated. When they come to a complete stop, make sure you have all your belongings and then walk to the exit gate. Bye-bye.
Good ride. Okay, so I have the shrimp rice bowl. It comes with jollof rice, chickpeas, tomato salad, tzatziki, and of course, shrimp. And the other one is the Harambe salad with chicken. It's salad with chickpeas and grilled chicken. As here we are at our last ride, Kilimanjaro Safaris. Says 40 minutes right now. Not too bad. It closes at 5, so just make sure to check to make sure you don't miss safaris, because it's a great ride. It's gonna be different every time. You never know what animals you'll see and animals you won't see. So just make sure to check the app, and this is our last ride. So we're on safari. It took about 25 minutes.
Just remember to stay seated.
We're entering the Harambe Wildlife Reserve.
Always have a beautiful color. They actually rise up. Sometimes they actually have to get leaves above their heads. Make sure about staying help regulate body temperature. Could be like about 6 times better than a human. Feel them from other.
We just finished our last ride today. We completed the challenge. We finished before expected. It took about 4 hours almost. No, more like 4 hours and 50 minutes. So, pretty good day. Here we got the cheeseburger steam pod from Satu'li Canteen. This is my first time ever trying this. As a final, for dessert, I got this vanilla ice cream from the Andapar bus. Let's take a bite.